friends, this video on wave optics part 17 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till part 16 before going ahead with part 17. Let us have a quick discussion of some important observations which was found along with this Young's double slit experiment. The first one was that it was found that if you move the source S, what is your source? The main source. If you shift the source by some angle theta, what happens to the fringe pattern? The fringe pattern still remains the same, just that the central fringe gets shifted by minus theta. For example, if you look at it, if you shift the source in this way, then what happens? Your central fringe also gets shifted in the opposite direction, that is minus theta. It was again observed that intensity of the fringes increase if point sources are replaced with slits. Now instead of point source, if you have slits, that means here we have used very small point sources, that instead you make a bigger slit. Then what will happen? If the slits are bigger, that means more light waves will be coming in, so the wave fronts will be stronger, and then they will interfere and gives rise to even greater intensity. Because see, the intensity of the fringes is determined by the intensity of the bright bands, right? So the intensity of the bright bands will be more if the waves which are combining, they are having more intensity. Now if the slits are bigger, that means more and more waves are coming in. So if it is something like this, if you open only one window pane, lesser light will come in. If you open both the window panes, more light will come in. Similarly, if you keep a bigger slit, more lights are coming in, and then constructive interference taking place, and the intensity is increasing, becoming even higher, right? So the intensity of the fringes increases if the point sources are replaced with slits. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.